There's a new electric motorcycle on the block, and it's called the Lightning Strike. Made by California-based startup Lightning, this bike offers a lot of performance for the price. Its most potent form available will take you up to 200 miles on a full charge and reach a top speed of 150 miles per hour. This bike is called the Carbon Edition, and Lightning prices it at $19,998. It uses a CCS charge port and is capable of getting to a full charge on a level 3 charger in only 35 minutes. This rapid charging is possible because the bike uses a small 20 kWh battery pack. Lightning breaks the range out by the kind of driving you're doing. It says the bike is able to go 150 miles in highway driving and 200 miles in exclusively city driving. Power is also impressive from the electric motor at 120 horsepower and 180 pound-feet of torque for the Carbon Edition. This is the only version that will be available at the motorcycle's launch in July this year, but standard and mid-range versions will follow. The standard motorcycle starts at only $12,998, but you take a big range cut. Lightning says this one will go 7,100 miles on a full charge from its 10 kWh battery pack, half the size of the Carbon Edition. It's also less powerful at just 90 horsepower and 180 pound-feet of torque. The 15 kWh mid-range costs $16,998 and will go 105–150 miles with a full charge. It has the same power as the standard range bike.